We're live. Okay. So today we'll be talking about how to choose a broker. So before you get into this business or before you start trading, you need to choose a broker that aligns with what you do. Okay. So now you have to ask yourself some questions. Um, do you want to do the forex, traditional forex, or you want to do HFX? Okay, so basically, there are 1,001 brokers out there that allow you to do both forex and HFX, and some just let you do only option, do only HFX. Okay, so now you have to choose a broker that, if it's HFX, you have to choose a broker that works well with what you do. Okay, with HFX. Okay, so secondly, you need to ask yourself, how much money do you have to start up? How much money do you have to start up your trading journey? Okay, so before before now, before you go into the financial market, you need to have nothing less than $100,000 to start up, $50,000 to start up. But things have started changing, things started evolving, and now you can even get a broker that can charge you as less than $10 to start up. Okay, so you have brokers out there that the minimum balance is $10. All right, so minimum deposit, sorry. So you after considering that, thirdly, you need to consider the futures the broker has, okay, over others, because like I told you, there's 1,001 broker out there, so you need to know or see the features of the broker you are using, weigh it against the other brokers and see, okay, is this best for me? Does this work for me? Okay, so yeah, so people already in the game will recommend um, brokers to you. So just you would have to test and see which one is best for you. You have to choose a broker that works well in your country with the regulatory bodies, and choose a broker that the features are very nice. I mean, there's some brokers who that have the rollover features, and I like to use those brokers that have the rollover features, and there are some brokers that with good interface and all. So basically, the broker you use is up to you, and though I will leave the link to the ones I use on the description, so you can use that too if you want to. um, I'm not a licensed trader, it's just my own opinion. Okay, so feel free to comment if you have any question. Feel free to ask in the comment section, or follow my Telegram. Write me, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you very much.